everybody, welcome to Walgreens. I'm here to share with you guys some great deals. It is the beginning of a new month for the Walgreens booklet, so if you guys are new, make sure you go through the store and ask for a booklet if your store does not have them in the aisles. Another thing is, I have a whole page full of deals, so I'm hoping to do it. I think I need 3 or 4 more rebates, 4 or 5 more rebates for Ibotta for the weekend warrior. Between here and CVS, I'm hoping to hit it. But I'm here to get some shopping done, and let's go have some fun. We have this soft soap on sale for $4.99. The Irish Spring is on sale too, but my store is sold out and the tags are not up. And I checked the app, and the app is not showing a coupon, but these are $4.99. There is supposed to be a $1 off digital coupon for the soft soap and the Irish Spring, but not showing up right now. But you want to use 2 of the $1 off soft soap coupons. You'll end up paying just $7.98 for 2 of them. But when you buy the 2, you'll get a $5 cash rewards, making them just $2.98 or $1.49 each. Not the greatest deal, but if you want to get it, go for it. If you guys need some soap, definitely check out your soap. My store has this on clearance for just 49 cents. Here we have the soft soap on sale. These are $3.49 and $2.49 at buy one get one 50% off. My app is not working correctly, but I did find the 50% off digital coupon that you want to use. If you're going to do the $3.49, you're going to use that. Buy 4 of them, use the 50% off coupon. You'll pay $9.97, but then when you buy 4, you'll get the $4 cash rewards, making it $5.97 or $1.49 each. If you buy the smaller things of the soft soap, they are $2.49. Use that 150 off digital coupon. You'd pay $6.97, get that $4 cash rewards, making it $2.97 or just 74 cents each. The Rimmel Makeup is on sale for 40% off, plus we have some coupons and some Walgreens booklet coupons. So we're going to get one of the lip glosses for $2.99, and we are going to use a $1 off coupon, plus there is a 4 off a 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. And then we're going to get this mascara for $3.99 and use the $2 off coupon plus the 4 off a 2 insert Walgreens coupon. You get both of these actually for free, so this is a great deal if you guys need to stock up on specific makeup. But you can actually buy some of this stuff. You can get 2 of these and use the 2 $1 off coupons plus the 4 off of that. So you guys will get these for like 47 cents. These would be 29 cents. However you guys want to shop, I thought it's a pretty decent deal. The Venus Shave is regular price for $4.99, but it is on sale for buy one get one 50% off. You're going to use a $2 off digital coupon that is in the Walgreens app. You'll end up just paying $5.48, but when you purchase the 2 of the Venus or Gillette products, you actually get a $4 register reward, making your final price just $1.48 or 74 cents each. Some of the women's and men's Bic razors are on sale for $5.99. We do have a $4 off digital coupon that you guys can use. You'll end up just getting it for $1.99. The Colgate Toothpaste is on sale for $2.99. You want to use 2 of the $1 off insert coupons that we got from last week. There might be some digitals. My digitals are not working very well, but mine show that they're expired. But anyways, you're going to pay $3.98, but here you'll get a $4 register reward when you purchase the 2 of them. Comes out to be absolutely free. Now we also have some Colgate toothpaste for $3.99, and you want to use the 3 off a 2 digital coupon. You would also pay just $3.98, but here you get a $4 cash rewards when you purchase the 2. Comes out to be absolutely for free. The Oral-B toothbrushes and the Crest toothpaste is on sale for $3. Now we did receive a 5 off a 3 digital coupon that you guys would want to use. You'll end up just paying $4, but when you buy 3 products, you'll get a $5 register reward, making 3 of them a $1 moneymaker. The Suavitel and the Ajax soap is on sale for $1.99. There is a 50% off of 1 digital coupon in the Walgreens app, so you guys will just get 1 for $1.49. The Purex is on sale for 2 for $5. You can get these for $5 or those for $5. The shakers are not marked, so I'm not sure if those are on sale, but pretty decent deal. We do not have any coupons out there, but pretty decent deal for how the prices keep going up. We have the Scott's toilet paper for $5 on sale, and then we have in the Walgreens booklet $1.25, and we also have the paper towels for $5 with that $1.25. But the fun thing is these are buy one get one 50% off, so you guys could mix and match, buy either one, buy one of each. You'll end up getting both of them for just $5. That's $2.50 each. These Splenda Shakes are actually on sale for $7.99. We do have a $4 off digital, or there is $4 off printable coupons. You'll end up just paying $3.99, but then there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making these just $1.99 for a 6-pack. The Lindsay olives are on sale for $2.99 at buy one get one free, so you'd pay $2.99 for 2 of them, but then there is an Ibotta rebate for 50 cents off of 2, so you get these for just $2.49 or $1.24 each. If you guys like tuna or bumblebee tuna, these are 4 for $6. You pay $6 for them, but then there's 25-cent rebates with Ibotta, so you get $1 back. So basically they all come out to be just $1.25 each. If you guys are interested in napkins, we have the Vanity Fair, the 80 count. They are on sale for $2.49, and then there is a booklet in the, or $1 coupon in the Walgreens booklet, making them just $1.49, and you get a pretty good pack for $1.49. The ball mix is just regular price, $7.29. You're gonna buy 2 of them, and here you get a $4 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. Sorry, it's not focusing, but you get a 4 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You'll end up just paying $10.58, sorry. But with Ibotta, you get a $4 rebate times 2, so you'll get $8 back with Ibotta, making that just $2.58 or $1.29 each. Great gift item if you have a baby or need a baby shower gift. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to bring you guys my Walgreens haul. I'm so excited. So the first deal you guys want to grab, if you guys have any babies on the way, I'm buying as much baby stuff as I can for my brother because they are expecting at the end of the summer. So I got the Balmex diaper rash. This was $7.29. There is a 4 off of 2 Walgreens booklet coupon that you'd want to use. You'd pay $10.58. But then there's an Ibotta deal for $4 off. You get $8 back with Ibotta, making this $2.58 or $1.29, which I think is a pretty good deal. I think Balmex has been around since I was a kid. It sounds super familiar. I never use it for my kids, but got that. Like I said, I needed 4 rebates. I needed 4 rebates or 5 rebates? 4 rebates, I think, to finish the Weekend Warrior. And I didn't finish at Walgreens, but I will definitely finish it at CVS. But I ended up getting these Splenda Shakes. I'm going to give these to my mom because she is diabetic. These were $7.99. I used a $4 off printable coupon, or there is a digital coupon. You would get these for just, did I write these down? I totally forgot. Sometimes I do the deals and then I have it in my head and then I forget to do it. But anyways, you'd pay $3.99 for this, but then there is a $2 off Ibotta rebate, making these just $1.99. So I think that's a pretty good deal for that. Make sure you guys check your dates because the one I had grabbed was expiring soon, and then I went and grabbed this one. This one doesn't expire till 2023. If you guys need some hand soap, definitely check your clearance prices. There's a lot of clearance in my store. Not a lot of it's cheap enough, but this stuff was marked down 90% off to 49 cents. So I ended up getting 2 of the, it's micellar deep cleansing. So if you guys need some of that, go for it. I got the Colgate Toothpaste. These were $3.99. No, these were $2.99. You want to use 2 $1 off coupons from our inserts from last week. You'd pay $3.98, but then you get a $4 cash rewards, making these absolutely free, and I love the cash rewards. You guys can do this deal as many times as you want, so before those coupons expire, which I don't know if they expire this week or next week, make sure you guys are using up those coupons if you have to go to the store several times a week. Then I ended up getting the Colgate toothpaste that was $3.99. I had a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay $3.98, but then you get a $4 register reward, making these all for free. The next deals I got were the Rimmel eye mascara and the Rimmel lip gloss. Now these were $2.99 and this one was $3.89. I used a $2 off eye coupon and a $1 off lip coupon. There's also a 4 off of 2 Walgreens booklet. So either the booklet will make it free or it'll come out to be a 12-cent moneymaker. You guys can do this deal as many times as you want. I just did it just that one time. So there is a fire truck behind me. Or an ambulance. Okay, so I got the Lindsay olives. I'm bringing these to my parents' house when I go tomorrow. So these were $2.99 at buy one get one free. You guys would pay $2.99 for it. But then there is a 50 or 25 cents rebate with Ibotta. I think it was 25 cents. Really? What was it, Jennifer? Come on. I think it was 25 cents because then I got 50 cents back. Or no, it was 50 cents off of 2. Sorry, you guys. 50 cents off of 2. You guys would just get these for $2.49 or $1.25 each. So it depends on how you want to do that. I did the soft soap body wash. These were $4.99. I used 2 $1 off coupons that we got from our inserts today. You would end up just paying $7.98, but then you get a $5 cash rewards, making it $2.98 or just $1.49 each. I did the Colgate toothbrushes. I got 3 of them because I have so much toothpaste it's ridiculous. But the Colgate toothbrushes were, not Colgate, Crest. The Crest were $3. I had a 5 off of 3. Sorry, I didn't write this one down. I did this one ahead. I had a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that you'd end up using. You'd pay $4, but you get a $4 register reward, or $5 register reward. Did I not get that register reward? I got a $4. You get a $5 register reward, sorry. You get a $5 register reward, I have to go back. Comes out to be just a $1 moneymaker. So I'll have to have them give that to me. And then I got one more deal for you. Nope, I got 2 more deals. I ended up doing these soft soap. Now these went up in price because last week they were $1.99. Now they are $2.49. At buy one get one 50% off. You want to buy 4 of them. You use a 50-cent off digital coupon. You would pay $6.97, but then you get a $4 cash rewards, making it $2.97 or just 74 cents each. So they're getting up there, but yeah. And then I ended up getting the Venus Shave. Now these were $4.99 at buy one get one 50% off. I had a $2 off digital coupon that you'd want to use. You end up paying $4 or $5.48, but then you get a $4 register reward when you purchase the 2 of them. Comes out to be just $1.48 or 74 cents each, which is a great deal. So I ended up getting it that. So that was everything that I got. I also did not add this into my price, but I ended up getting some Fruit Loop jelly beans. We're gonna do a taste test of the Fruit Loop jelly beans because you guys, I just love doing taste tests, especially weird foods. But anyways, my total came to $42.15 for everything. I did receive $12 of register rewards. I should be getting a $1 back, or a $1 or $5 one, but I did receive $12 back of register rewards. For points, I received $18.52, and with Ibotta, I hit 3 rebates, so I got $10.50. My grand total came to be $1.13. I got 24 items for $1.13. I think that's a great deal at 4 cents each, so I was pretty excited. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys all next time for another Walgreens haul. See you guys later. Again, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.